Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the recent past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But definitely some updates here need to be made, as it had a very, very strong afternoon. I would assume some sort of news or something came out. Not much was going on this morning, volume, and then volume just absolutely exploded there, and the price reacted very nicely with it, which is good to see. Some of these stocks out there, the people that are on the message boards and such are just a bunch of clowns. But BMXC, I don't know. I like the people that seem to be in this one, so always good to see prices go up for stocks that aren't filled with a bunch of tinfoil hats. But I'm going off on a tangent, so I digress. So let's get things updated here. Before I start to do house cleaning, I just gotta talk about charts because I love charts. But talk about a beautiful example and really a good sign of strength on the bulls' part. The price pulled back and pulled back and pulled back, and pullbacks, there's nothing wrong with them as long as levels of support hold. And check it out. Look right where it decided to bounce. I promise that I've not moved that green line, and I'm not patting myself on the back. I am patting charts on the back though, and this just really hopefully goes to illustrate that not that I have some sort of secret system or anything like that, but this is something that anybody can learn how to do. Charts work. Pulled back here and then bounced like a champ right off that level. So, just a beautiful example of how charts work, and a good sign, like I said, as far as BMXC is concerned. The bulls acted the way you would want to see them act at that important level of support. So good sign. Now for some house cleaning. I'm just going to get rid of these lines here. Sure, they still pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 0.042 has been a level of resistance, but the price crushed it today. So that's going to be a new area of support. And then taking a step back from the big picture, we kind of focus back on that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And the easy way to look at that is as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control of the chart, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance, next one up is that red line that I put on a few days ago. I don't remember quite when, to be honest, but that's up there at a nickel, so 5 cents. Next key battleground, it's looking like the bulls could potentially do battle with it tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. But no doubt about it, very powerful afternoon, so we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.